If you want to work in Australia's capital, Canberra, in a research setting, then this job might be of interest. This job is for Manager Cloud Services in Australia's only national university, ANU, and it's quite a reputable university. Now, this job role, as I said, that it is based in Canberra and it's an on site role. The job description is quite interesting. In order to be successful in this job, you would have to be holding a postgraduate degree, plus, you should have proven experience in managing teams and direct reportees, of course, and you should have some demonstrated high level of understanding of equal opportunity principles and a commitment to the application of policies in a university context. Now, it's a government job, so you need to address the selection criteria. If you go to ANU's website on the career page and look up this job, you will find that selection criteria. Now, selection criteria is pretty unique to applying to Australia's government jobs. So, and I would highly encourage you to spend some time on it, because if you just send them your CV, you're not going to get this job. So you need to address the selection criteria in a proper formal language, and there are various examples on the net which you can follow. So be straightforward, be honest, and just read what exactly is selection criteria, and then write accordingly. Now, another thing for this job role is that um, you have to have some proven experience in cloud operation. You should have some hands-on experience in leading the planning, configuration, and management of large and scalable high-performance cloud systems, including operating systems, cluster file systems, networking, and system software. You should also um, you would also be answerable in terms of the cloud system's performance, reliability, and also implementing strategies which improve the provision of services. So rest of the job description is same as in any other company, which would be expected of the manager cloud services, but as it is again based in Canberra in ANU, so you need to address the selection criteria. So that's it. If you think that this job is for you, go to ANU's website and apply from there. Thank you.